Alright, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone and welcome back to Authentic Media. So in this particular video, I'll be going ahead to show you guys how to complete your KYC verification on this new crypto exchange, GXT Exchange, that we are farming their airdrop right now. So I'll be showing you guys how to complete your KYC and get set, right? But if you are not here farming GST with us, I'll still advise you to get started immediately after watching this video. The link will be in the description section and comment section of this particular video, so you get started real quick. Okay, so as we all know, phase 1 farming, or let me say season 1 farming, has ended and we are now in season 2 farming, and this season 2 farming is going to be ending on the 20th of July 2026. So we don't really have much time right here. So if you are not here, dive inside this project immediately after watching this video, right? So phase 2 farming will be ending on 20th of July, and their TGE, which is their trading TGE token generation event and trading, will be coming live on 28th of August 2026. So you have to do well to position yourself right here, okay, as soon as possible, so that you get something reasonable before the TGE. So let's get started with the process. All you have to do is to come to your profile right here, you tap on it, then you click this button that says verify KYC. Okay, so you tap on verify KYC, then you wait for them to take you to the portal where you are going to be completing your personal information. So we have like 4 badges to go. Okay, 4 badges to go. So number 1 is identity verification. So you have to put all your personal details the way they are on your personal ID. So let me quickly do that, then we move to the next. Alright, so I'm done putting all my personal details. The next thing is for us to click on the next batch, which is to continue. But I want you guys to take note right here. So you can see something like document expiry, though it is optional, but you can just choose any far date. Like for me, I choose October 2050, though you guys know that our document don't expire. That is, if you are making use of your national ID, it doesn't expire, right? But maybe driver's license, those ones expire. But if you are making use of your national ID, it doesn't expire. So you can either leave it because it's optional or choose a very far date. So for me, I choose 2050. Then the next thing is for you to put all your address right here, starting from the number of where you live, the city, the postal code, the state, and everything. Then you click on continue. Right, the next thing is for us to upload our national ID. They said take a clear free photo for all documents. So you guys knows how we normally do it. So you upload the front side of your ID right here, then upload the back side of your ID. So let me do that. Let's proceed. Alright, so I'm done uploading my ID documents. So before you proceed, make sure that you have already snapped your ID down. Make sure you have already snapped your ID down, because they will not give you the privilege to go and snap. They'll just take you straight up to your gallery for you to choose and paste. Okay, so make sure you have already snapped the front and the back side of your ID down before you proceed. So once you just tap on it and upload it, you have to wait for them. You will first of all see something like saving, then you wait for them to save it. Okay, after saving it, you will see this particular icon that says ready, and everything will turn green. Okay, so once you see that, you hit on continue button, which is the next step. So let's proceed. Now they say we should take a selfie. Okay, so we are going to be uploading a picture of us. So I believe all of us get picture of us on our phone. So if you don't have, just snap yourself and put it, then you proceed. So let me do that. Okay, so I've passed the 3rd stage, which is a selfie photo. Although this one, they will give you the opportunity to snap with your camera and send. So for those of you guys that don't keep photos of yourself, no problem. You tap on it, automatically you will see your camera rolling. So you snap and send. Then you still hold on for them to get you this selfie ready. Okay, make sure you can see selfie ready for review, and they've already circled it green before you proceed. So let's continue. And I think we are going for the final aspect of the whole thing, which is final review. Now hope you guys are seeing it, review and submit. So you will see all your details, you will see everything that you've done, and like your name, everything actually. So just make sure that everything is right. If you see anywhere there is error, then you have to click the back button and make some corrections. But if you don't see any error, click on submit for verification. So for me, I don't see any error, so I will hit on submit for verification, and let's wait and see where they will take us to. then we'll move from here. So it's submitting, it's submitting. Let's just hold on. Okay, so you can see KYC submitted. It is now under review. Okay, so that is just basically that. We just have to wait to get response from their verification team. So security identity verification, verify ID to lift limit, so it's pending because it's under review. So if you tap on it, you will see that your KYC is under review. We usually view within 24 to 48 hours. So this is there that I submitted it. So within 24 to 48 hours, I will come back right here to check and see if I have been verified or not. Maybe probably I will make changes, or maybe probably I'm good to go. Okay, so just do well to take your time in this particular project. It is an exchange token, so this is an incoming exchange, and it's already working, guys. Their spot trading is already working, so people are already trading on this particular exchange. Buying and selling is already going on right here, so people are already trading right here. Their futures trading is still also active, so people are buying long and selling short, so on and so forth. So now they want to reward us with their native token as those that built with them in their early stage. So just get used to this particular update, get familiar right here, position yourself, and try to twerk around to understand more. Okay, so get your invite link and invite your family and friends, bring everybody right here, and also take your mining seriously. Okay, take your mining seriously. Like I said, phase 2 mining will be ending on 20th of July, so I don't really know if they will have phase 3 mining, but the TGE, which is the token generation event, and trading will start on August 28th, or possibly on August 28th. That's what they say. It's going to be August 28th. So that's just basically that in this particular video. So thank you guys for watching. After joining this project, do well to submit your own KYC verification so that we'll get verified at the same time, and be on the right track when the trading starts. Okay, because without your KYC you cannot trade. So I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.